guys, welcome to my video. So today, me and my brother and cousin are going to play Insane Elevator. So anyways guys, for this video is our channel. Yes, Skibidi Toilet. Oh wait. Also guys, please subscribe to Jim and also BB. Also,
have a
wait.
channel.
Why?
That's okay.
That's okay. So I have $55,551.
Make sure to subscribe.
Yeah, subscribe to
Make sure to
subscribe to this. Yes, I know. Subscribe right now, okay? So I am wearing the glasses, so my brain will gonna expose that.
Baldi, SCP.
Yes, Baldi SCP. Ano?
Robot.
Robot.
Cat.
Cartoon cat. Okay. So I wanted to sniff armpit.
Pyramid. Dinosaur.
No.
Slenderman.
No.
Alien.
Ow!
Granny.
Ow!
Freddy. Pennywise.
Bro, I am dying. Stop dying.
The SCP came from that. Yes.
Come on. Come on, let's go.
But wait, I'm gonna get something.
What the Sigma? Where did I even get fall?
Killer and...
Oh my god.
Nah.
Okay, so I'm at the party, guys. Come on, Zoe. You're missing the elevator. Can I sniff your armpit?
Ew.
Yes. Ah, it smells so good. Mwah, mwah. Don't. Mwah, mwah. Yummy. Thank you. Stop. Oh my god. I'm going to stamp on her. Alright? Come on, Skibidi Toilet. Oh wait! SCP-682. Oh wait. SCP-900. Reka. Right. Ouch! Ouch! Kiss that. Hey, I'm going to kiss you. Mwah. Can I kiss your armpit? Okay, right? Mwah. 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 I'm gonna kiss armpit, guys. Oh my god, they break all of the glass and also I'm going to die.
Stay in the light.
Yes, stay in the light. Oh, huh? Kill me. Kill me. Ouch! Oh! Oh! Oh my god, I just died now. So I wanted to survive. I accidentally lost there. I need pizza. Give me pizza. Your mouse? You're a mouse? Hello? I'm going to squish you. Hello, Skibidi Toilet. Hello? I'm going to kiss you. I'm going to kiss you. I'm going to kiss you. Can I sniff your head out of here? Come on, I need to kiss you. I need to kiss you. Bitch, I love you. I love you. Oh my god. No, please kiss me. Again. I don't have a pizza, so that's okay. Please drop the thing. Drop pizza. I wanted to eat pizza.
Bye.
So, otherwise. Oh, my God. No. Oh no. Oh no, I'm going to die. No. I'm going to sniff your armpit. Come on, I need to just go for it. I need to go to the monster and even die, so. Oh, kill me.
You guys are idiots.
Ouch. Ouch.
You guys are idiots. Someone is dying because of the...
Oh. They take all of the grass. I'm not an idiot. I'm good. Why? Oh, shit. Oh. I don't have pizza. No. You get it. No. Hello. Hello.
Don't kiss me.
Kiss me. I'll kiss you. Hey, yo. Give me the pizza. Hey, you eat my pizza. I'm going to kiss you. Mwah, mwah, mwah. I have pizza, right? Give me the pizza. Give me the pizza. Give me the pizza.
Don't kiss me.
Kiss, I will kiss you. Where are you? Skibidi Toilet. There he is. Mwah. I want it. I love you. Jackson Michael. Michael Jackson. Jack Stabber, take us. Let's go. I will call him Jack Stabber. Oh, you're Jack Stabber. I'm going to hide there.
Bye.
What the heck happened? Do not spawn in there. No. I'm safe.
You guys are idiots.
Come on, kill me.
Oh.
Oh! Oh! I eat.
Me, bro.
Okay. No! I died!
Pokeball.
Don't I push ya? Eh, wait for me. Cool.
Look at me.
2,
Hey, dude. Look at me.
3. Come on. I'm going to go to now. Oi! Huh? Oh. I'm going to step on him. Because he's an idiot. How many dollars do you get? I'm rich! Yeah! I'm rich, right, guys? Right?
I'm rich.
Yes, I'm rich. Giving silence, you're so far.
Look how beautiful I am.
Where are you? Mwah, mwah, mwah. I love you. Mwah, you're so
Go in
beautiful.
the rooms. You will be safe.
This one.
No.
This
I'm not
one.
an idiot.
Yes. Can I
Let's
sneak?
stay over here.
Yes, me and you.
Ay, get out!
Oh! I love you. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Mwah, mwah. I love you. Do you marry me? Yes or no?
Ah, get to the
Mwah,
side! Get to the
mwah,
side! Get to
mwah,
the side!
mwah, mwah. You can't get out. No! I love you. I love you. Monster.
Look at the chat, guys.
Ayaw.
Guys, look at the chat.
I'm going to look at that chat.
Oh,
Hello. Mwah, mwah. I love you. Come on, kiss me. Hold on. Wait, I need to take the time.
no! Don't kiss me!
I'll kiss you.
Guys, look at me!
I
I'm
love
going to
you.
create a thousand.
Hey. Hey.
Circle.
I like that. Bibi. Hey, I like Bibi. Anong Bibi? What's Bibi? Ano ba? Come on. Ay! I love you. What the heck? Oh! I lag.
Brookie, I see you moving around.
Love you.
I'm going to turn into Grimace.
I love you. Where are you? Yes.
Hey, look at me.
Where are you?
Bro, became Grimace.
Yes. Where are you? Why did I just lag? Oh my god, why did I just lag? I lag! I need to reset. Mama, try ano? What? Why did I just lag? I lag. Why did I just lag? Hey.
I survived!
Why did I just lag? Okay, I'm going to restart, guys. So I'm going to... Why did I just do? Why there's no internet? I have no internet.
Go to the other side. Go to the side.
I have no internet, guys. Why? Come on, I need
It's huge.
an internet. Nine. Huh? Oh, where are you? Oh my god. Where are you? Hey, you. Hey, where are you, Skibby Toilet? I'm going to the phone. Goodbye! Okay. Hey, Skibby Toilet. I love you. Come on, go. I need to Come on, I need to kiss you. Come on, please, kiss you. Oh my god, guys. Oh my god. Hello, sorry. You died? Huh?
I somehow glitched into the elevator with you
Glitch?
there and I died.
Yes, I did survive. You idiot. Yes. I love you. I can't. I'm going to kiss you. I'm going to kiss you. You love me? Hey, yo! Baby! Baby! Goodbye, you die. I need to... I forgot, wait. Wait, I forgot, wait. Hold on. Just, wait, hold on. I need jump. Jump speeders. I need to go. Why? Don't report it. Sure. Yeah. Hey, can I see your armpit? Hey! No! Hey, go with the doorman. I touch your armpit, right? I touch your armpit. Hey, they will ban you. They will ban you. Okay, yes. I'm not gonna report her. Hey, give me toilet. They just nobody ban you. I'm going to jump. Kill me, kiss me.
Never.
Kiss me. Oh, no. Oh, yes, I survived. I survived. I'm going to kiss you.
No.
Yes. Yes, I'm going to kiss you. Let's go. I'm going to jump on you. Hey, yo. What are you doing, huh? What are you doing, guys? What the heck? Okay, there's so many bricks in there, so in this case, we're going to just jump in there. I'm not going to stay on the elevator, so that's okay, guys. That's alright. My brain will gonna show up, and I'm going to wait for you to take it. Okay, so we're going to play Insane Elevator of 5 hours or 6 hours. No matter when it comes, guys, okay? So why there's so many, break on me? Boom, shaka, laka, boom. Where are you, baby house? Baby house, goodbye. They will find out.
Kuya house.
Now you, baby house. Where are you? I love you. I love you. Mama blow. No. Oh. Hell no. I just. No. Hey, where are you? Hey, both of them, why are you bouncing? I'm going to bounce on you. That is fun! Meh. Come on, there's fun. That is the Mr. Beast. I am a Mr. Beast. Look at me. No! Why? Why there's no me? Mama Moy. Yes, I'm rich. Yes. Why? Oh, Mama! Hey, baby house. Babe.
Get up.
Come on, I love you.
Go.
Wow. Can I kiss you? Oh.
No.
Yes. Okay, wait for me, skibidi toilet. Please. Skibidi toilet. Oh, skibidi toilet. I love you. Hello. Hello. Oh. Can I kiss you? Ah, yes. Oh. Okay. Okay. Can I? Yes, I'm going to wait for you, huh? Okay. Let me just copy you. Yes, I'm going to copy you. Ah, yes.
No, I need fire.
You need fire, huh? Fire.
Fire. I need to survive for fire.
Yes. Mama, walang gadget, yung sa utak ko, yung Roblox. Yes, Mama. Okay, wala. Okay, there's no gadget. No. So that's okay, guys. English only. English.
I predict it's
Baby house.
green.
Wait, hurry up.
Guys, it's the green.
Skibidi toilet. I love you.
Guys, it's so funny.
I love you. I will kiss you. Hey, can you? Ay, yes. Can I kiss you?
No.
You're kissing me.
You're right!
Kiss me. Among us. Oh. Ouch. 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 Ah, oh, baby. Oh my God. What the heck? Yes. Yay! I survived. I am a Mr. Beast.
Oh, I got a pizza.
You got a pizza?
You want it? You
Yes,
want it?
give
You want
me.
it? You want it?
Give me the pizza. Where is it? Did people stole it? Hey, the annoying player. Well, I will report. Okay. You're just bullying me on something else. I'm going to stand.
To the side,
I'm going to stand on it.
right there, so they won't get you.
Oh, yes. I'm first. No, this annoying player. Or else I will just hey, annoying player, huh?
Idiot.
Get out of here. You can't see me. Huh? Or else, come on, get me. Ah, I'm at the roof. Why am lagging? Stop.
My shoulder. You're at my shoulder.
I'm at the top. Right, guys?
up, guys.
Look at me. Hey, look at me.
Ma, kiss me.
Hey, look at me, baby. Hey. Hey, hey, hey. I got to
Hi!
see.
You push me!
Bro, you didn't even see me. Bro.
You push me!
Wait for me. Bro. Bro. You. Wait, stop it. Stop kissing me.
You cannot kiss me.
I'll kiss you. I'll kiss you. Again. Again. Let me go. Oh my God. Who just made me first, huh? Oh, hello. God.
Bye, idiot.
Hey. Don't do that, huh? Hey. Kiss me. Hey. I love you. To me. I love you. To me. Hey. I love you, huh? Ooh. Hello. Stop my body. Baby house. Hey, where are you, baby house? Skibidi toilet. Where are you? Skibidi toilet. I love you. Please. Where are you? Baby house. Baby house. Yeah. It's so fun, right? Hey, wait for me. Na. Dodo. Make a back toy. Why?
I won't kiss you.
I will kiss you.
Stab me once, but I won't die.
You stabbed me once, I didn't die. Hello! Hey, Goblin! Hello! I got your armpit. And I smashed your armpit. I smashed your armpit.
Na naman!
Again? Again? Why? Again? Ah, idiot. Ah, where are you? Hey, where are you, baby house? Where are you? Hello, baby house. Hey! Come on, baby house. Come on. Baby house. Stop, you look like a girl. And also you're... Yes. I love you. Miss. Hey. Give me the toilet. I love you. Hey. I love you. I love you. Hey, you look beautiful. Lipstick is gonna be beautiful.
Guys! I'm the piano.
I'm at the piano for what?
Piano chorus.
Yes, deliver
Yo!
Yo, hey.
760.
No, I'm rich. Ah.
109 coins.
I'm rich. I'm rich. I'm rich, right? I am so rich. Give me, I'm rich, right? Come on. Let's make 5 hours or 4 hours. Get on. Come on. Where is the alien baby house? I'm going to go to the ladder.
Go up.
Okay, I know. Mama!
You won't die if you go up. Because
Yes.
I won't move.
Yes.
I'm just gonna do my homework.
Yes. Where are you?
Won't find me.
Where's your name?
Hi,
Oh, wait. Where's the baby? Hey! Stop! No, I always...
Nagsaong ka na pala.
What?
Ang sinaon mo.
Where are you? Baby? Wait, hold on. Everything. Ah!
Nagsumunod.
Hey, where are you, huh?
I see Slenderman.
Hala, pantay daw.
Where is it? Where's baby?
Every time I eat chicken nuggets.
Bro, where's baby? I can't see you. Oh my god. Why did you see? Bacon, die. Yes. Yes, I know. I'm going to step on Bacon because he's so annoyed. Hey, you annoying player. You can't breathe because of you. You just won me there. Okay.
Oh no. Oh no. Idiot.
I'm gonna go for it.
Guys,
This one. Balls. Suck me balls. And also suck mine.
Psych. Psych. Psych.
I'm going to jump for it because they didn't even find me. They didn't even catch me.
Mama, sila mo kuya.
Nothing. Wait, fake money.
What?
Ay, so yun na. I'm going to waste money, ha?
Hello, my love.
Where are you?
Let's go to get
Oh, baby!
I cheated on you.
Ayo! No!
I cheated on you, kuya.
No, it's Kali! No, it's him! Hey! Hey, I'm going to kiss you. Darling! Hey! Hey! I can't even... Hey! Look at me! Can I kiss you? Hey! Stop! Please! Stop! Please! Hey, yo! Hey, Zoe, you have a crush on you, huh? I love you. I love you. Hey, can I kiss me? Kiss me first. Kiss me first.
No.
Kiss.
I will only kiss Domi.
I kiss you. I kiss you. No, I'm going to kiss on you. Please!
Hey, let's go.
I can't see you. Haven't turned on the light. Can I kiss her? Let's see.
No.
Yes. Oh. I'll get out there. Hey, Skibidi Toilet, I love you. I love you.
Kiss me,
Kiss me.
darling.
Hey.
Where are you? I'm over here.
Mwah. I kiss you first.
Get out of the way.
No.
Mama.
I love you. I love her, right?
No.
Yes.
I don't love you.
Please. I love you.
Quick,
Before it's nice. I think I was nice.
weird because two boys are here.
I'm going to kiss you. Because I'm going to kiss you. I'm going to hold your butt. Okay? Let me hold your butt. Hello. I love you. Kiss. I'm going to kiss you.
I'm stuck.
Yes, you're stuck.
Where are you, my darling?
Yes, me. It's me. Mwah. Hey. I kiss you. Hey, I love you. Mwah. Okay, bye. Me first. I love you. Hey.
Come here, my darling.
Hey.
Quick.
I love you. Hey. I love you.
No.
Me, right?
I don't care about you.
wanna kiss Dexter? Where are you?
Kiss me, darling. Kiss me, darling.
Where are you hiding? I'm hiding.
Elevator.
I'm hiding, right? You can't find me. Hey, baby, find me. Find me.
Sige, I'm not gonna kiss you anymore.
You.
I'll leave.
No, please stop. No, no, please. No. I love you, right? Yes, baby loves me. I love her, right? Yes.
No.
Why? Okay, fine. You hate Zoe. Okay, that's good. Did you kiss me? That's good. Hey, see me.
My darling.
Also me?
My darling at only kuya.
Yes.
Die.
I like.
Die.
Hey, what you doing? I like dar. Yeah.
That's your turn, Kalik.
Why?
Kalik, it's your turn.
Why? Oh my god, again? Piggy? Kiss the piggy. Allah. Baby house. Joking. Ouch.
Choking.
Joking. Where are
Kiss
you?
me. Kiss me, Dewey.
Where are you?
Only if
Give
you
it.
touch me.
Can I kiss?
Only if you
Can I sniff your
No,
armpit?
I touched you. I touched you. No, I didn't see you.
I saw you. Please, can I sniff your armpit? Can I sniff your armpit, please?
No.
Yummy. Please, I love you. Baby house. Baby.
I saw you.
Where are you? Hey. Hey.
No.
Come on. I thought you were going to love me. You always love me, please. I believe in you. Ooh.
I touched you, Dewey.
Where are you? You touch me.
It's too late. Next level.
Hey, next level, guys. Next level.
Okay, kiss me.
Okay.
Elvis,
Mwah. Mwah. I love you. I'm kissing her, right? I accidentally love you. Yay.
You're raising me out.
Why? I'm not reaching you. Oh my god. Stop.
Idiot.
Oh.
Inside.
Okay. I'm gonna go inside, right?
Kiss me.
Why? Fine, I'm going to go now. Hey!
I mean you, kuya. Kiss me.
Fine.
Go out.
Fine. Okay, fine. I'm going to touch your balls. Sorry, wait. Okay.
You're raising me out.
Why?
You're raising me.
Why?
Kuya's raising me.
Yes. Yes or no, guys? Right, guys. Oh my god, I'm lagging. Bro, I am searching my tablet. Hey, yo. Where did the toilet just... what the heck? Give me the toilet. Why? They will ban you.
I said I love you.
I don't know.
Of course it's going to get tagged.
I don't want to get hashtag.
Tag. I tag you.
Why? Okay.
Holy. Who tagged him?
Where are you? Give me toilet.
Try to kiss me.
Kiss me. I'll kiss you. Mwah. I thought you were... here's the money bank. Right? See. Money green.
Come back.
Hey, wait for me. Puppy. Puppy.
I need a bed.
Yes.
I need a bed.
I know. Right?
Bed.
Mwah. I love you. Please. I love you.
Yeah,
I need a, you need a bed? Okay. What?
Ma. Oh,
I love you.
no, wait. I need to do my homework first.
Fine.
I hope
Oh my God.
I need a bed.
You need a bed? Okay.
I need a bed. Zoe!
Zoe the Dollman.
Lie down.
Zoe, can I sleep your armpit? Can I sleep your armpit? Please? Hey! Wait! No, please stop, please! No, I'm not a weirdo! I'm going to sleep your armpit. Armpit strong.
Why are you going to...
I'm not weird!
I'm going to kill myself.
Okay.
I'm going to...
I'll touch your armpit,
I'm going
right?
to... Yes, darling. I'm going to kill myself.
Kill myself.
And I'm not going to upload this video because there's some bad words.
And oh, wait, I'm sorry, I'm good. No, sorry, bye. Oh, Mama, hello.
I touch you.
Yeah.
Please.
Okay, it's just a bad word. I'm not saying a bad word, okay? Oh my God, they break everything. Slenderman, kill me. Come on, record. Can I love you? I love you.
I'm gonna leave. This is so boring.
No! Where are you?
Guys, I'm making a new one.
Baby house!
So guys, I'm making a
Baby house, I love you.
So guys, I'm making a new
Where are you, baby house? Where are you? Where are you? What? Why? I thought you were going to join me. I thought we were going to make an hour. Please. Come on.
So boring.
It's okay. It's alright.
Okay.
You're gay. You're gay, right? Come on, you're gay. Are you gay? You gay?
Wrong game. It's the wrong game. Wrong game that I'm making. Diet.
Oh, my baby house. Oh my God. Okay. Let's make an hour, okay? Let's make 6 hours, okay? So us this thing, Last Goblin just joined me. No! No, I didn't even mean to you. No. No, Dowie. Please.
You're all alone.
Please.
Horrible elevator while me and Kazaya.
Don't leave us, please.
Wait, is that the Pokemon from
I'm love you. Why? Come on.
Pokemon?
Come on, Dowie.
That's the
Can I sniff your armpit?
that
Can I sniff your armpit?
spit of water.
Hey, you. Bark frog. Bark frog. Oh, smell my feet. Smell my feet, okay? Smell my feet.
What?
Smell my feet, oh. Dinosaur. Do you know? Okay, guys. So, my cousin just leave because I didn't mean to. Didn't mean to. Please. Oh.
Wait.
Why?
What?
I thought you were going cartoon cat. Cartoon cat will go to show up, guys. Right, guys? The cartoon cat. The cartoon cat will go to get fast. So, anyways, guys, we're going to make a new video, guys. So, the new video thing is how to play the thing. A realistic game.
I'm a beautiful girl, okay?
Yes, I know. I love you. Joking.
Not talking to you, idiot.
I'm talking to you. Please. Oh, I love you. Hey. No, you agree. Hey.
Okay, hello guys. Today we're going to play Brookhaven RP.
Oh!
Oh my god.
Okay, fine. I love you. I love you, please. Wow, this annoying catnap. This annoying cat. Oh. This annoying catnip. Hi.
Never mind.
Hi. Hours, okay? Okay, guys, how long this video? Okay, let's get out. Look at Granny.
I'm gonna carry you.
Granny again. Come on.
Please.
Oh my god. Please. Come on. Yes. Oh my god, thank you. Yes. Thank you, bro. Thank you, bro. I'm gonna need to buy it. Something else.
Wait.
I need to buy on Amazon, guys. Right, guys? Oh my god. I'm going to push you. I will push you, right? I love you. Oh my god. Granny. Oh, Granny. Oh my god, I hear they're making sound, guys. I hear you making noise. Ugh. My god. Why there's so many fire? Did Granny just burn a house? Only the old house, I think. It's 7 years ago. That is cool, okay? How they died, huh? Okay. You robot. Okay. I love you. Please, please. I love you. Hey, what are you doing? Hey, what are you doing?
So get
Okay,
up.
there is a Pennywise in there. So, why there are so many Pennywise?
Idiot.
Hey, Pennywise, what's up? Goodbye, have a joy. Jasmine, you baconet. Baconet. Woo. Skibidi bop bop. Please, English. Please, English. English. Hey, you're cool, right? Hello. I love you. I love you. Huh? I died. No! Damn, bro. Come on. Why did I even buy? I'm not gonna waste the money. Please do not waste money. No, I just accidentally waste money. What about this legendary epic? Legend Thanos with BB House. Come on. Dinosaurs, Godzilla! I hate Godzilla. Godzilla. I'm your plushie, right? I'm your teacher. I'm your highest scorer. Hey, I'm going to play on a Brookhaven. Hey, you big house. I'm going to push
Try to
you.
open this door.
Like a monster. I'm going to push. I'm going to push robot in there. Okay.
Try to open it, you idiot.
I'm gonna push robot. Right? Come on. Oh yes. I'm going to. Come on. Come on. Please. Oh yeah. Accident push mo guys. Oh my god.
Roommate ko na yan.
Hello. Look at him. Look at him. He's so silly. Where are you? Hey. I love you. Hey. You like it? Yes. Hey you. What are you doing, huh? You go to jump on Among Us plushie, huh? I'm your plushie, right? I'm your plushie. Bruh. English. Right now. It's time. Time. Right enough. It's time for English, right? Come on. Come on, English. English or Spanish. What? Oh, it's yellow. Come on. Oh. Ouch! 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 My baby house. Mama, the baby house. Mama, baby house. I'm going to heal right. Okay. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm going to this one. Oh my god, my baby house. My baby house. No! Oh my god. Okay, let's. We got 40 minutes, so I'm going to make 6 hours or 9 hours this week. Wait, I guess. So I need to just pay it for Amazon, I guess. So else, guys, we're going to keep uploading more videos, so my brain will gonna explode like this. So we're going to play. Okay. I have this jump, okay? Let me just jump. Come on. Come on. Oh my god, oh my god. Yes! Oh my god. Oh my god, yes! Yes, I survived! I should just go on the top in there. Okay, yes. Hey, you annoying player. Get stuck in my bomb.
Die. Aren't you supposed
I, Zoe loves you.
Ramalo.
Hey, you. Bacone! Stop, Bacone. Bacone. Bacone! Kill me. Oh. Oh. No! Don't you dare ever waste your money again. I'm low. I'm so sorry again. No, it's okay. Sorry, ladies. Oh. Hollywood. Hollywood. Let's go. I'm Mr. Beast. Hey. Yes. I'm richer than that. Go on. I'm going to go first. Ah! The player. Okay. Player, or the player. Player gonna expose like that. I don't wanna die, please. I don't wanna die, please. Please, guys. I don't wanna die, guys. Okay. So I'm gonna make a longest video on the rest. So, anyway. What the heck happened? Hey. You. Hey. Come on. Come on, try to kill me. Come on, try to kill me. Oh, come on. Oh, wait. Yes. I didn't die. Yes, guys. Oh my god, guys.
Where are you?
Oh my god. Here's part 5, guys, right? Or part 6. Let me know in the comments, okay? Oh, what? Hey, what are you doing now? This is one annoying player, okay? Okay. So, otherwise, guys, we're going to play that at real life. Come on, Piggy has. Piggy.
Whoever messes with me.
Oh, wait. Me first.
Oh
Oh my god, guys. Oh my god, that's good. That's good.
I'm in here, you idiot.
What? Come on. I need to push you, huh?
There's annoy my sibling.
Yeah. Ouch! No! No, I don't want to waste the money, guys. I don't want to waste the money. Let's do Piggy. Because Piggy will gonna show up. I'm gonna go for it. Okay. Goodbye. Goodbye, Bacone. 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 Why always Bacone? Bacon.
Bye.
Okay.
Oh my
Okay. so many. What are you doing? What? Hello. Hello, why there's so many fish, guys? Why there's so many fish? Easily.
You know, come to my...
And there's only... Oh my god, oh god, fish.
Go to the back. I cannot see it.
But I'm going to destroy that. Anyways, the Michael Jackson takers, come on. Michael Jackson. Michael Jackson. Michael Jackson, kill me first. Go now. Michael Jackson. Michael Jackson and holding phone. Oh! Oh! I died. I died on real life. No. I don't wanna die, please. I don't wanna die. Nice. No, I don't want to waste money. I don't wanna waste money. I don't wanna waste money. Mega. Oh my god. I'm going. You bald girl, huh? Hey, stop.
No.
Please stop. Mama, booty. My little pony. Give me the money to pony, huh? Come on. My first, mine. Mine, I'm going to just go for it. Come on. Go! This is annoying player. I'm going to push you. I'm going to push you. I'm going to push you. No! I'll push you. I'm going to push you. Let me push you. Hello. Hi, you ban me? Ako udo you. Gamar udo you. Udo you. Stuck my eyes. What? Just bacon na yan. Bacon na eh! Okay, baby house. Ah! Do that, ban him. Baby house. Baby house. I'm going to go to the Sonic, okay? Let me go to the Sonic, right? Come on, let's go to the Sonic first. Sonic, come on. I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to go to your head. I'm going to... Come on. Oh my god, what? Stop me. Okay. Oh my god. Sonic will go ahead now. Oh my god, Sonic is gonna wake up. Go! No. No! Sonic the Hedgehog. Come on. Damn! I am stuck. Go. Why I'm stuck on this game, guys? Oh my god, this is so hot. This is the worst game, huh? Okay.
That's it.
Why? No, baby house. Baby house. Wait, please. No, me.
No.
Come on, please. Come on, me. Please. Come on. Baby house, please. Come on, join me. Minecraft game, right? Minecraft. I'm going to stop at this. Go to go. Come on. Oh my god, guys. Okay, so why there's so many players in there, guys? Why there's so many players there? I'm gonna keep uploading more videos, so guys. Right now, I'm gonna go. Okay, come on. Okay, I hear the music first. I hear the sound first. Okay. Wait, and here it comes. Here it comes. Ura, 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 ura. You Mary Grace. You ugly girl. Oh my god. Elf. Ew. Elf. Elf. Ew. Elf. Oh wait, an elf. Oh why? He's there, huh? So I don't see any elf. Hey. I'm going to this. Come on. Everett! Hey! What the heck happened? Did player play up? Come on. Come on, player. Okay. I'm going to hide for you. Come on. Just me and you, girlie. Girl. What the? Huh? Huh? We're going to hide there for something else. Oh my god. You will see me. No! No, go. Please. Please. I can't see. I can't see. Please, I can't see.
The sword claims they had snuck into a construction site after drinking too much. And from
Go!
grabbed a large piece of
He
plastic
pushed me.
to use as a slide into
He
the
pushed
pool.
me
But
first.
she didn't see the nails sticking out. Blood
Oh my god, yes, I did survive, guys. I'm going to survive. Yes, I survived. Out of this stand. Hey.
Yo!
Hey. Ozzy Osbourne. Oh my god. Oh my god, it will take so long, guys. Come on. Come on. Going to go. Please. Let me hide this annoying player. Oh my god. I don't wanna go. It's annoying. It is annoying. Oh, this annoying player.
down. Reaches your
Hey.
sharp fragments.
Yeah.
Stomach for years.
Bro, this annoying player. How?
Finally sent him to the hospital. Doctors thought it was a tumor, but during surgery, they found something shocking. You see, when he was inside his mother's womb, he had a twin that didn't fully develop. And instead of separating, the twin became trapped in
Oh wait, yes. Survive. Why you this player? I wanted to just
full recovery.
survive, guys. Right? Only mobile. Yes, I'm going to get rich, right, guys? I'm going to get rich, right? Okay. How many? Okay. How many bags? There's no, okay. Okay, guys. So I'm going to get 60 2011. I know. Right, guys? Okay, so otherwise, guys, we're going to go up in this Dora. I'm going to this first.
Finally, after the
And
rest of the
also,
body
where's
was
the
riddled with
picture
arrows,
of
the
the house?
archers aimed their final shots at the heart, delivering the fatal blow. Step backwards, right in.
So yes. Wait, yes. You're showing me this. Come on. Come on. I need to just survive, guys. I'm going to study harder. I'm going to just die. I don't want to die. Please, I don't want to die. Guys, I giant head. Giant head, please kiss me. Kiss me, Sherman head. Adi. Hey, Adi. Hey. Adi. Protect. Okay. Hey. Okay, guys. So we're going to just buy some whatever I want. Good. Oh my god. Oh, I have a speeder. I have a lot of pizza. Okay. Come on. Oh my god. Come on. Why? Come on. I don't wanna die, please. I don't wanna die, please. Adi. Oh my god. Oh god, we're gonna distract it. Everyone, we're gonna distract. Oh my god. They didn't even find out, please. Oh my god. Ah! Look at her. Oh my god, she died. I got 8 pizza. Go to eat pizza, right? Come on. I can't see. Oh my god, I have a torch right now. Okay. I have a torch. Right? Ready. Victory. Viator. Huh? A Viator. Okay. I got it. Come on. Please. Michael Jackson is here. Come on. Come on. Oh god, there's 2 players in there. What the heck? Come on. What are so many players, guys, right? Oh my god, I'm going to keep uploading more videos, okay? Okay, I'm gonna make a long video, I think. Okay. The thing is, I'm gonna make a long video, I guess. So, anyways, what the heck is Jack Stubber? Michael Jackson. Kill me. Alright. What are you doing, huh? Michael Jackson, what are you doing? Damn, I actually do that. No. Oh my god, this is the hardest game. No. Michael Jackson keep on killing me or something. Hey, give me a VVR. Oh, but your money. No, I want VIP. Oh my god, this is annoying. Come on, VIP. Oh my god. I am a Mr. Beast, right? Come on. I am Mr. Beast. Come on. What are you doing? Hey, what are you doing? Pennywise? Pennywise, huh? Where are you going? I'm dancing now, right? Pennywise. 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 Hey, yo, they locked me up. No. Oh! No! Meh. No, actually, I died now. I accidentally died. I died. No. What about this? Let's go. Look at this is the high speed. Oh, this is the high speed, guys. Come on. Let's go to the elevator, right? This is the high speed, guys. God, I can't see. I'm blind. I can't see. I'm blind. Just right there. Okay. What the heck happened? This annoying you. Oh my God. What are you doing? Oh my God, why there's so many players there? Where's her? Did you leave or not? What are you doing, VIP? Bad. You're making a copyright, huh? Oh my God, guys. Run. Senpai, what are you doing? But I think you're on tape. Okay. Hello? Senpai. Hey, what are you doing? Why are you thinking about it? Okay. I don't want to get copyright. Oh! No! Yeah. Senpai. What are you doing? Why there's so many scary emojis? No, I didn't. Oh my God. Why? I thought. No, I'm going to end. So goodbye, guys. See you watching.